Hi guys, welcome back. Chapter 3 of the April Monthly, The Right Attitude for the Job. This is something we talk a lot about at school, having a positive attitude and the appropriate way to talk to supervisors. I think this chapter is going to give us a good demonstration of that. Keisha gets an interview for the job. She takes a shower and looks nice. Keisha goes to the interview. She answers the questions. So Keisha takes time to make sure she looks good for her interview. A lot of times, the first impression that somebody sees of you is how you look. So it's good if you're going for a job interview or going to school or going to work that you look your best. Keisha gets the job. She will wear a uniform. Keisha will start work on Monday. She will get a paycheck. So remember from the previous chapter, her goal was to get an apartment. So she has a uniform, she has a schedule, she's going to get a paycheck. Keisha will help the residents. She will deliver mail and flowers. She will visit with the residents. Keisha starts her job. She clocks in with a computer. Keisha meets her job coach. The job coach will help her learn what to do. Keisha gets her schedule. So anytime you're at a job, it's really important that you clock in and clock out, because if you don't do those two things, you will not get paid for the time that you're there. Keisha is busy. She helps lots of people. Mr. Jones is happy with Keisha. Keisha's attitude is good. She has enjoyed her first day. So the boss likes Keisha's attitude and how she works with people, which is always a good thing. Keisha goes to work on Wednesday. She clocks in. She has to do new things. Keisha must help a resident with his dog. She is worried about working with the dog. So when you have a job, sometimes you get a different schedule, and that's okay, because just like in real life, things happen. So, but Keisha's worried about working with this dog. Keisha talks to Mr. Jones about her problem. He tells her it's okay. There will be people there to help her. Keisha has to do a job she does not like. Keisha plays with the dog. Keisha actually liked playing with the dog. She is glad she did it. Mr. Jones is glad Keisha came to him. Keisha has a good attitude about her job. Okay, so that's it for chapter 3. Talk to your parents or your supervisor about ways you could have a good attitude, and even if you're having a bad day, how can you change your attitude to hopefully have a better day. Okay, check with the module and check your assignments that go with chapter 3 of the April monthly unit.